What the fuck? Is that a zip tie? That spare is not sparing me. Since 4:30 in the goddamn morning. How ghetto is ghetto? That's fucking ghetto. No, I've almost been driving for 12 hours. It's 4:09. Okay, it is super early in the morning. And I gotta go drop my mom off at the airport. I'm coming back. And I gotta drive to Oregon because I think I found a truck. So, let's start making headway. Okay. Just got done with the airport. Luckily, that didn't take that long. Now, we are on our way to Oregon. We're gonna go check out that truck. Got a 3.5-hour drive, so I'll see y'all when I just get there, unless some crazy shit happens. Frankly, hopefully it doesn't. Okay, we just stopped somewhere random in Oldie and got the money in the bag. I put the money in the bag. And I want to find a cigar before I start making my headway. So I think we still have another like 2 hours to drive. So I'm gonna find a cigar and then keep her going. One thing I totally forgot to mention, I'm technically buying this truck sight unseen. I already have the money. We already made a deal. All I know is it's white. It has a new transmission. And I've technically seen like 2 photos, but it's more or less sight unseen. And it's the first time I'm ever doing that, if you want me to be real. I'm kind of nervous, but we'll probably got another hour or so that we're gonna be there. Definitely making good time. We are almost there. We're like maybe 2-3 minutes out. Look at this bridge. It's an old, what's it called? Train bridge. But yeah, we're almost there. I'm gonna check it out and we'll see if I record when I go by it. So, looking over the deal right now and look at this. It's an abandoned hotel. That's cool. So this white, I don't think is supposed to be there. That door is not the right color. There's also literally 0 brakes. This thing's kind of hunky-dory. The hood doesn't, also the hood don't open unless you like hold this thing. But, got a brand new transmission right there. Supposedly the engine's only got 40K on it. The belt's squeaking because of the tensioner, quote unquote. Is this actually gonna work? No. So that latch, also no worko. He has Washington plates, what the fuck? Yeah, this truck got spray painted. Huh. Yeah, you see all the white? They spray painted it with these tires. Told me he got it from his grandpa. This door don't close? Okay. Oh my god. New rims. Those are actually nice. And brand new tires. But let's get this baby home. I'm probably gonna tow her because this is bullshit. What's that? Allstate. I'm just gonna leave that there. Whatever. Oh, it has this big ass mirror. Look at this interior though. She ain't half bad, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna figure out the towing. I'll get back to you. Oh, if you're curious on why I'm towing it, there is 0 brakes. 0. Look at all the overspray. Look at all the overspray. At least we got a free 2-inch. I wonder if this is what the color of the truck was prior. Definitely could have been. Spare. Looks like a full-size spare. We're just waiting for the tow, so I've just been fucking looking around it. Oh. Well. That spare is not sparing me. Would these be classified as 2-piece rims? Y'all gonna have to let me know. I don't think they are, but you never know. Got some bad country. Mud tires. What the fuck? Is that a zip tie? How ghetto is ghetto? That's fucking ghetto. That's definitely a brand new transmission. That's the main thing we were looking for. The transmission's $2,800. Look at that. Look how bad that is. So yeah, we're definitely going to be taking parts from this and putting it onto my truck, because this thing is kind of a heap of shit. Like this cable, we need. This transmission, we need. Oh, y'all can't see. We need. These tires, we need. Okay. Gotta get in her towed, and we are on our way home. We have a long drive. See y'all when we get there. Look at that. Look how black that is. I have no idea why that's that black. That's crazy. It's literally pitch black. Yeah, we're gonna drive through it, so. Oh, it's not black. That's crazy. I don't know what was giving it that shadow and that color, but that's insane. Look at that. It's not black at all. What? Okay. Holy fucking shit. My legs, my calf hurts. Like, genuinely hurts. I've been driving since 4:30 in the goddamn morning. It's just the cops. But, what is that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've almost been driving for 12 hours. It's 4:09. I should just drive around for 30 more minutes just so I can say I drove for 12 hours. What? Okay, tow truck is nowhere near. So I'm gonna get home, smoke, because I ain't smoked all day and I'm feeling it. And then we're gonna look at a truck. It's here. You can move faster than I can. It's all good. Slide it back. It's fucking cold. Like that. There you go. Perfect.